Never before seen UFO videos have been declassified by the U.S. military during a Senate meeting. On April 19th, the director of the Pentagon's newly instated All-domain Anomaly Resolution Office presented the Senate Armed Services Subcommittee with two declassified videos. The first video was captured by a Reaper drone and shows a mysterious orb flying in the Middle East in 2022. A statement from the AARO said that this object was not displaying anomalous behavior, but it still has not been identified. The first video illustrates how, in many cases, there is simply too little data on the observation to make a final judgment. However, this case remains in the AARO's active archives, meaning they are still holding out for additional information. The second video shows an object filmed in South Asia, filmed using an MQ-9 forward-looking infrared video sensor. The video shows an object flying in and out of the frame. AARO said in a statement that this was likely to be a commercial aircraft. The AARO is currently examining 650 potential UFO cases. About half are currently being prioritized due to them being particularly notable and anomalous. Still, despite this, there is no concrete evidence of aliens. Without sufficient data, we are unable to reach defendable conclusions that meet the high scientific standards we set for resolution. And I will not close a case that we cannot defend the conclusions of, Sean M. Kirkpatrick, director of AARO, said at the meeting of the subcommittee. I should also state clearly for the record that in our research, AARO has found no credible evidence thus far of extraterrestrial activity, off-world technology, or objects that defy the known laws of physics. The meeting took place as the two departments are trying to better understand more about unidentified aerial phenomena. Senator Joni Ernst said at the meeting that the recent incident involving a Chinese surveillance balloon that was shot down over the U.S. indicates the need for more understanding. ABC7 reported. Scientists working at AARO are working to improve data on UAP so that any security threats can be identified. The office was first set up by the Defense Department in July 2022 for this specific reason.